can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at Solana. Solana is one of the biggest altcoins in the cryptocurrency market, currently trading above $131. Over the last 1 year, Solana has rallied up by more than 553%. Big gains over the last 1 year, but right now, Solana is showing some signs of weakness. Is Solana following Ethereum? Solana price continues to slump versus Ethereum. Solana price continues to have difficulties rallying to higher values. Solana risks to hold above the crucial $120 support to avoid a potential correction below $100. We'll be taking a look at the Solana US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. We're also going to look at Solana's performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin, and then we'll take a look at Solana against the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, Ethereum. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business. Solana over the last 1 month has been underperforming. Solana over the last 1 month has lost 10.2% of its value, currently trading above $131. Guys, we can easily see Solana going down to Goblin Town if things doesn't work out well. We've been hanging around the all-time high for over 6 months right now. Yes, it has not only been Solana. The whole market has been stalling for the last 6 months. We have seen Solana have a very wonderful time, but that $210 level has been a level of market participants which they sold. Solana got to $210 way back in March of 2024. Right now, we're spending more than 175 days unable to break that key level. But guys, let's go back in time and see. Let's go back in time and see what Solana has done over the last few months, over the last few years. Solana was launched way back in 2020. After it was launched, huge pump to the moon, getting to as high as $260. What a wonderful time to be a Solana holder. But then Solana started dumping to Goblin Town with the rest of the cryptocurrency market. It went back down to $8. Remember FTX collapsing, everybody saying Solana is dead. But guys, the altcoin market is very wonderful. Yes, we can see dumps along the way, but when those pumps comes along, those pumps are very wonderful, and that's what Solana did. Rewarded holders, all the smart investors that got into Solana and they held from the bottom. Right now, they're in some sweet profit. Right now, they're in over 1,500% profit. A lot of market participants are complaining about Solana not pumping into higher values. They probably got in the last 6 months. But the more important thing that is showing in charts now, the most important thing that is giving cause for concern is Solana's valuation against Ethereum, is Solana's valuation against Bitcoin. Because right now, Solana looks as if it's losing value drastically against Bitcoin. We have not been able to set new highs after that huge rally that started in March, that ended in March for Solana against Bitcoin. Solana has been trending downwards. We have seen the RSI showing that it's losing some strength. Solana price could see more downside against Bitcoin as analysts draw similarities to the Ethereum price slump against Bitcoin. Can Solana hold above $120? We have seen Ethereum over the last 2 years underperform against Bitcoin, and Solana just looks as if it's printing exactly the same pattern. The good news is that there was a huge pump in between that whole dump we saw for Ethereum. There was a huge pump we saw in Ethereum in September 2022. So when will that pump come for Solana? I expect that pump to come very soon. We'll take a look at Solana's valuation against Ethereum, against Bitcoin, the king of the market. We saw Solana getting to new all-time highs in 2021, but in this 2023 pump, we have not been able to do that. We just fell short of the all-time high, and Solana has been going sideways. I prefer to call this distribution. If you take a look at what the RSI has been showing, the RSI is showing that Solana is losing value, is losing momentum since the 18th of December 2023. It has been losing momentum. And right now, even though it's still higher in price, the momentum indicator says Solana is weaker than it was around a year ago. I believe Solana still has a little pump to go. I don't believe that pump is going to be outrageous. I don't believe we're seeing the all-time highs. I told you guys, I don't think we're seeing Solana getting to $1,000 in 2024 or maybe 2025. What I believe is that we're going to see Solana rallying towards the $154 level. If we're lucky, we see Solana even get to $160. Guys, the $160 level has been a very tough key price region for Solana over the last few months. I will not be shocked to see Solana having difficulties around the $160 region. The last 1 year, Solana has done well, but right now we're seeing life return back to the altcoin market on a monthly time frame, and Solana is currently underperforming. It has lost 10% of its value over the last 1 month. Over the last 1 week, We're seeing double-digit gains in the altcoin market. We're even seeing some coins with triple-digit gains. Solana is still down 0.18%. A lot of Solana's value in this cycle has come from a lot of speculation on the Solana chain. We've seen Solana go from $8 to as high as $210. We can't continue pumping to higher values. Remember, guys, all bubbles will eventually burst. I believe Solana's time to bust is not yet here, but I believe we are supposed to be very, very cautious because that time is approaching very, very soon. If you take a look at Solana's valuation against Ethereum, we have not pumped crazily above the previous all-time high. The previous all-time high happened in 2021. We've gotten to that previous all-time high in 2024. We have hit that previous all-time high 4 different times. We have not been able to blast to new all-time highs. I will not be shocked to see Solana swiftly dump against Ethereum. Ethereum has been underperforming against Solana since the bottom of the market. It can continue outperforming Ethereum, that's Solana. Solana can continue outperforming Ethereum. At some point in time, the tide will change, and I believe the tide is changing right now. All the smart players that bought Solana at the bottom are quietly flipping their Solana back into Ethereum. So don't be shocked to see Solana being outperformed by both Bitcoin and Ethereum in the coming days and the coming weeks. But guys, all hope is not lost. Solana is still having a little hope to pump above $160. The altcoin season index tells us we're still in Bitcoin season, and Bitcoin season is usually when you want to get altcoins, because after Bitcoin season, we are going to see altcoin season, and altcoin season is when altcoins will be pumping to higher values. If we see great return back to the cryptocurrency market, good times might return back for Solana. Right now, there's fear in the market. Fear signifies market participants afraid to commit their money to see higher prices. There's no FOMO. Fear means a lot of people are still sitting on their hands. But when we see the fear and greed index tilt towards greed, it means market participants are getting greedy, and it means that will be a good time to sell for some sweet profit. I believe, guys, Solana is not yet done, but I believe we are not going to see that crazy pump a lot of market participants are expecting, because a lot of the indicators are already showing Solana has huge weakness. A lot of indicators are already showing Solana might easily have a dump below $100, and that dump can come very quickly. Solana's 200-week moving average sits around the $71 level. And guys, for context sake, Ethereum currently sits at its 200-week moving average. If Solana has to do that, we're going to expect a huge dump for Solana towards $71, but that might be after the upcoming alt season. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How bullish are you on Solana? Do you think Solana can hold that $120 support? Or are you bearish just like me, expecting Solana to have a big dump, maybe below $100, even getting to as low as $20 over the next 1 year? That's how bearish I am long term on Solana. Drop your thoughts about Solana in the comment section. Tell me whether you're a bull or a bear. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.